We've come to our final step in the hypothesis testing process. Let's recall that previously in step 4, we decided, with the evidence presented, to reject the null hypothesis. So this is a technique I traditionally use, which is to remember what the hypothesis statements look like. If I reject the null, I cross it out, reminding myself that my data is lending support and is more in agreement with the alternative hypothesis. So this helps me get into the right mindset to write a sentence. So the first thing I'm going to do is remind myself that the sample evidence, all of this was based off evidence, so the sample evidence suggests that the percentage of accidents let's say in this community that involve cell phone use is, now remind yourself, I've just sort of set up that what the evidence is, we're testing a percentage, what does the alternatives tell us? That proportion or that percent is greater than 0.23. And because I introduced this as a percentage here, I'm going to finish this out with the 0.23 written as a percent. And so this is more of a layman's statement. Anyone can read it and understand it. It doesn't require any statistical knowledge or being savvy with statistics. One could read the original problem we started this with, the concern of the community group, maybe not understand steps 2, 3, or even what 4 was trying to tell us, but they could read step 5 and understand what the evidence meant. The sample evidence suggests that the percentage of accidents in this community that involve cell phone use is greater than 23%. So the community group was correct in their hunch that it might be higher on their roadways, and in fact, it's significantly higher.